Let's see how you can actually build a Facebook AI agent that can simply handle the comments posted by your followers and customers, and also the messages sent by them as well. So here I'm in a demo account. The first step is to connect your Facebook page right here. So here we have connected the demo chat India page. So if you want to how, click on this channels option over here. It will take you directly to settings channels, where you can easily log in with your Facebook page and connect your Facebook page right here. So it will take just a few seconds for you to connect your Facebook page. So once it is done, you can actually build any sort of automations on the Facebook page right here. And if you want to use the AI to handle the responses, you have to go to the integrations and make sure to connect any of these API keys: OpenAI, Google Gemini, Cloud, XAI, or DeepSeek. So you can actually use any of these AI models over here. So you will need to simply connect the API keys from those platforms. So for example, if you want to use the OpenAI, click on learn more. Here we have the step-by-step guide on how to grab the API keys directly from the OpenAI platform and simply connect it on our platform. So once it is connected, you will see this sort of window right here. Alright, so once that is done, you can simply go to the AI hub over here and create an AI agent for your own business. So this can simply work for any business out there. So you will need to create an AI agent and provide all the information about your business, so that it can simply use that information to respond to the customers' messages and the comments as well. Alright, so for example, let me use the existing AI agent right here. For example, let me use this one, Elevate Growth Coaching. So let me use this information right here. This is about the coaching business right here. So here we have instruction on how to generate the response, and here we have all the information about that specific business, the about the business founder, business hours, services they provide, and some pricing information right here, and some frequently asked questions as well, including some reviews from the real customers as well. So just for the demo, so here you can even use AI tools as well, where you can actually use specific functions to collect specific customer details as well. For example, if you want to offer the discount, you can actually use this get discount function. So here you can actually create any functions as you like, and then you will need to simply select those functions right here. And you can even upload specific files, PDF files, CSV files, other file types, and use those files for additional information for the AI agent as well. So once that is done, you can actually scroll up and click on this option and select the specific model you are planning to use. For example, OpenAI, you can choose one of these AI models right here. And when you select OpenAI as the first priority right here, so since we have connected other AI models, it shows up right here, but here we select GPT 5.4 mini. That means it will always try to generate a response from the GPT 5.4 mini. Only if it fails, it will try to generate a response from Cloud as well. So by doing this, you ensure that your AI agent works 24/7. Even if the OpenAI fails, it will try to generate a response from Cloud, Gemini, and other things as well. Alright, and here you have the option to set the temperature, tokens, and other things as well. So let me click on save over here. Alright, it has been saved. So here, this is the AI agent I'm going to use, the Elevate Growth Coaching. So you have to set this as the default agent. Alright, it has been set as the default agent. So now it will simply handle all the customers' messages from all the support channels. So whenever a customer send a message on Facebook page, it simply respond to that message using the available information in that AI agent we have set up right here, which is Elevate Growth Coaching. So likewise, it works the same on other channels too automatically. And if you want to delay these responses, so you can actually go to the settings over here, and you can set up a bot reply delay. So here it says set how long the bot waits before replying after the user's last message. If the user sent another message, the timer resets and the message are queued into a single response as well. So here you can set a specific time frame for the bot to wait and respond to the customers. But if you want to respond to them immediately, you can choose none and select this option as well. So that's how it actually handled the DMs. And if you want to set up the automation to handle the comments, you have to go to the marketing tools over here, and here we have this Facebook comments automation. It works the same like Instagram comments as well. So let me open the Facebook comments automation over here, and let me say AI comments coaching. All right, so here AI comments coaching, and here you have to set up the automation right here. So track comments on all posts. So this means it will simply work on the past and the future post and reels as well. So even if they go to the past post and simply add a comment, it will work as well. Even if they add a comment on the new post or new reel which you are going to post in the future, it will work as well. So that's why we always use this all post option. and private reply. So if you want to send a message to them when they comment, you can do that. But if you want to just add the comment reply, you don't need to set the private reply. Set none over here. Public reply to comment. So this is the where you can actually choose the AI agent and select the AI agent which is created, which is coaching. So this is about the coaching, growth coaching. All right. So when a particular customer asks any sort of questions, it will use the information in this specific AI agent to respond to them. And here reply to all comments. So you don't need to set up specific keywords. You can simply choose all comments. So it will work for any comments they post as well. And you can even like the user comment as well. And if you want to delay these comment responses, you can do that as well. So here you can set a specific time frame to delay those responses as well. All right. And here let me click on save. Alright, it has been saved and it's active as well. So now let's test how this actually works. So let me go to the AI hub and open the specific AI agent we have right here. Alright, so this is the AI agent, and here we can simply go to the Facebook page, which is Demogetic Media, and add a comment. So it can work on any reels, post, anything as well. Alright, so let me ask about the pricing. For example, so let me ask about this one, business growth strategy session. So here let me add the comment right here, how much is for the specific business growth strategy session. All right, I just added the comment and we should receive a response as well. So here it's a 90-minute consultation, cost $497. All right, so let's see what we have received right here. So let me open the post over here. So here it is the response right here. So it says there is a 90-minute consultation and the cost is $497. If you like, I can also help you figure out whether it is the right fit for your business. Simple as that. So here it simply add the comment as well. So if you refresh, and it has actually liked the specific comment as well. So let me go back to the Facebook page once again and choose a different post and add the comment as well. So here I am adding a comment on this specific reel, and let's see what happens. So here let me refresh the page over here and see if we have actually received the comment reply. So here I refreshed and here we receive the response. It says the founder is Michael, and it even liked the comment as well. Simple as that. So now it simply handled the comments posted by them using the AI agent right here. So if you want to see how this actually handled the DMs, you can simply click on message option over here. So here I send a message saying who is the founder and simply says this person. So likewise, you can actually ask any sort of questions. For example, let me say, what services do you provide? All right, I'm asking about the services. So they provide different type of coaching services for businesses. So let's see what sort of response we are receiving right here. We offer growth strategy. These are the services right here. If you like, I can figure out which option fits your business best. Simple as that. So it's, if they say yes, it will simply ask a specific qualification question and move from there. So for example, let me ask about what are your business hours? All right, so let me send a message about business hours and see what happens over here. So it says we open Monday to Friday 9 to 6, Saturday 10 to 2, closed on Sundays. So let me go to the specific AI agent. See, these are the timing of the business hours right here. So that's how it actually works for the Facebook messages as well. So now if you go to the unified inbox, you can actually track all these conversation happened from all these support channels. So go to the unified inbox over here. We should see the chat happened right at James Austin. So here it says bot is active, and here you can see they add 2 comments right there, ask these questions, ask in the DMs as well. And from here agent can easily jump in and talk with the customers as well. So when you send a message from this unified inbox, the chatbot will automatically pause as well. So currently it says bot is active, and here you can filter conversation by bot, human, and if you untick both, it will show conversation from both channels. So if you click on human, it shows the human conversation handled by the humans. If you click on bot, it will show only the bot conversation. So if you untick, it will show both conversation. So now if I send a message from this unified inbox as the human agent, the chatbot will automatically pause as well. Currently it says bot is active, and as you can see here, bot active is gone. Simple as that. And it's actually assigned to the particular person who replied as well, and the customer will receive that message right here as well. So even if the customer send any sort of messages, they won't get any sort of responses because currently the chat is actually handled by the human agent right here from the inbox. Simple as that. So here if you click on human folder, you see this particular chat is moved to the human right here. So you can send responses from here right here, And once done, you can also transfer the chat back to the bot as well. So here, transfer conversation to bot. All right, it should be in the bot folder now. If you untick, it will show all these conversation, and here you can set assignment to different agent or remove the assignment as well. So now it's again bot is active. So now if you ask in the question, it will simply work as well. For example, let me ask the same question again. What are the business hours? So now bot is active, so it will actually generate a response right here. So here it simply send the response as well. Simple as that. And that's a quick video on how you can actually build an AI agent on your Facebook page. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.